Money has come a long way from the days of bartering and trading. Today, we use a variety of forms of currency, from paper bills to credit cards to cryptocurrencies. But what does the future hold for money? Will we continue to rely on these traditional forms of currency, or will we see a shift towards new, innovative methods of payment? One of the most exciting developments in the world of money is mobile payments. With the rise of smartphones and other mobile devices, people are increasingly using these devices to pay for goods and services. In fact, mobile payments are predicted to grow at a rate of 33% per year over the next 5 years. Another trend that is gaining popularity is contactless payments. With contactless payments, consumers can simply tap their cards or mobile devices on a payment terminal to make a purchase. This method is not only more convenient, but also more secure, as it eliminates the need for physical contact with the payment terminal. Cryptocurrencies have been around for over a decade, but they have yet to reach mainstream adoption. However, with the increasing popularity of blockchain technology, we may soon see cryptocurrencies become more widely accepted. In fact, some companies are already experimenting with cryptocurrency ATMs and other methods of accepting digital currencies. Virtual reality is another area that could have a significant impact on the future of money. With virtual reality, consumers could potentially make purchases in a virtual environment using virtual currencies. This could open up new opportunities for businesses to sell virtual goods and services, and for consumers to make purchases without ever leaving their homes. Biometric payments are another trend that is gaining traction. With biometric payments, consumers can use their fingerprint or other biometric data to authenticate a payment. This method is not only more secure than traditional passwords or PINs, but also more convenient, as it eliminates the need to remember multiple passwords. Self-driving cars are another area that could have a significant impact on the future of money. With self-driving cars, consumers could potentially make purchases or payments while on the go, without ever needing to stop or pull out their wallets. This could open up new opportunities for businesses to sell products and services on the go, and for consumers to make purchases while on their daily commute. Finally, drone delivery services are another area that could change the way we think about money. With drone delivery, consumers could potentially receive packages and make payments from the comfort of their own homes. This could open up new opportunities for businesses to sell products and services remotely, and for consumers to receive goods without ever needing to leave their homes. The future of money is uncertain, but one thing is clear: it will continue to evolve and adapt to meet the needs of society. From mobile payments to cryptocurrencies to biometric payments, we are already seeing new and innovative methods of payment emerge. Who knows what the future holds? Only time will tell. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the future of money. Please like and subscribe to Chaching Champs.